In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for Lesson 9 of Unit B1 from Open Sci-Ed. Okay, this prep is pretty easy. It's mostly just handouts and cards. And so one thing you need to be aware of is that students will need access to their graphic organizers that they completed in Lesson 2. So whether they be in their notebooks or you need to hand them back out, they will need this because that's when they were introduced to the conservation plan in the Serengeti, and they're going to evaluate that conservation plan. They will also need a copy of the class consensus model from Lesson 8. This comes from the SAGE modeler, so go ahead and take a screenshot and print it out. Or you could do this digitally because that's a lot of printing, especially if you need it to be in color. Basically, all they're going to do for this is they're going to add humans to the model and write down some interactions that humans are going to have with the different components of the ecosystem. So figure out how you want to do that. Conservation plan evaluation. This is a handout. Students will be introduced to the evaluation tool and they will answer some questions about it. The road proposal organizer, they're going to complete this as they interact with the road proposal cards. And then the road proposal evaluation, it's kind of getting them ready for their individual assessment. This is a group assessment. And yeah, so these are what they're going to need copies of per student. There's also an individual assessment. I'm not going to link it here, but it'll be in your Google Drive. So those are the copies you need to make. This is what you'll need per group. There are interest holder cards. In this, you will need a copy per pair. You can see that it's actually 2 pages if I formatted it correctly, or if we get rid of this page. So it's just the first page and the second page. You can do front and back. You will need 1 per pair. Or it might be nice to print out 2 pages so you can separate it between the pair. And then the road proposal cards. This one, there are 4 cards in the set. I had to do a little reformatting here, but you will notice that each person in a group is going to have the same card. So if I have 2 groups that are both using road proposal card 1, I need enough copies of this card right here to support those 2 groups. I might have another group with road proposal card 2. So every member in that group is going to have this card. So hopefully that makes sense. That's it. It's just a bunch of print, and then they will take an assessment at the end. And so good luck with Lesson 9.